Because of her natural flexibility as a child, she was chosen to join the Chinese National Circus. Eventually, her talent was a way out of her country. And tonight, she is hoping it is her way into the finals. Here is Aygul Memet.
What is the art form called? I don't want to miss.
It's hula hoop. I escaped the Chinese circus 2004. When my daughter, my husband came to Canada, I'm so happy. I love Canada. My parents are still in China. I miss them a lot. For the semi-final, I'm gonna do candle act.
I have great feeling about Aygul. She's highly disciplined, and this competition means a lot to her.
Her technique is invisible. She's absolutely flawless.
If I win, I spend money for my family, get passport for my parents, so I can support them come to Canada, so I can see them. I love performing. When they clap, it's into my heart.
She is here to amaze you kids. Do not try this at home. Here to light up our stage, it's Aygul Memet. Aygul Memet, ladies and gentlemen, another standing ovation. Beautiful, Aygul. Soak it in. Misha.
Honestly, there it is, Aygul. Bar set. There is no talent that we've seen up until this point that is as complete, that is as seamless, that is as impressive, as entertaining as yours. You are my favorite in this competition. You were the person that I talked about incessantly after the auditions, and you're the person that I knew would deliver in the semifinals. And I pray people vote for you because you are a wonderful story. You're a mother, and you do that. I hope I remain or can someday be that flexible. It'll probably be in my dreams. But
multitasking
bravo.
at its best.
Thank you.
Amazing.
That's amazing. You are Misha's #1 pick. That's huge. Martin, what did you think?
I'm staggered. I mean, who balances a candelabra on their foot? I mean, other than a drunken Liberace. I mean, who? Trying to impress people. No, I think that was unbelievable. First of all, your story is, I think, there are many, many moving stories in this competition. I think yours is the most moving. And I think, though, more importantly, it's about talent. And that is unbelievably daring what you did and unbelievably successful in what you accomplished.
Thank you.
Stefan, she ended it by clapping with her feet and everybody was up on their feet.
I was trying to do those routines here and it wasn't working. Aygul, I really hope that you were able to move your family here to Canada. I really hope that you take us out to dinner with that money as well, actually. But no, you know what? They really, Misha and Marty stole the words out of my mouth, and they said it so eloquently. Misha said it, you are so complete. And you know what was really phenomenal is that you are no longer known as the hula hoop girl. You are the flame girl. So that was really something, because I mean, what else can you do with hula hoops? We were wondering, what are you going to do with hula hoops? Well, you actually, again, you raised it, you stepped it up, and it was progression, and you did it with such confidence and such grace.
I hope people go back and watch your hula hoop routine, because then they'll understand how incredibly gifted you are in all areas of this incredible circus art.